Understanding, he's a hands-on dad. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, he's a hands-on dad. This expression is rich in meaning and widely used in everyday English. Our goal is to unpack its meaning, usage, and context so you can confidently incorporate it into your English conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, he's a hands-on dad, combines two key components, hands-on and dad. Hands-on refers to someone who is actively and personally involved in managing or doing something, rather than just talking about it or delegating tasks to others. It implies a practical, engaged approach. Dad is a familiar, affectionate term for father. So, when we say someone is a hands-on dad, we're saying he is actively involved in his children's lives, taking part in day-to-day responsibilities such as feeding, bathing, playing with them, and attending school events, among others. Being called a hands-on dad is often seen as a compliment. It suggests that the father takes his parenting role seriously and enjoys being deeply involved in his children's upbringing. This phrase reflects a shift in societal expectations and norms regarding fatherhood and parenting roles. It celebrates the involvement of fathers in caregiving and domestic tasks, which have traditionally been considered the mother's domain. Now that you know what it means to be a hands-on dad, let's see how to use this phrase in real-life situations. Complimenting a friend, I've noticed how you always make time for your kids' soccer games. You're such a hands-on dad. Describing someone, he's always involved in every aspect of his children's lives. He's a real hands-on dad. It's important to note that the concept of a hands-on dad may vary across different cultures and families. However, the increasing use of this term reflects a global trend towards recognizing and valuing the active participation of fathers in child-rearing. This change highlights the evolving nature of family dynamics and the importance of both parents in providing care and support for their children. Understanding and using the phrase, he's a hands-on dad, can enrich your English vocabulary and help you better describe and appreciate the involved fathers around you. We hope this video has shed light on this meaningful expression and its place in contemporary English. Thank you for watching, and remember to practice using this phrase in your conversations. See you in our next video.